Prove that tangents drawn at the end of a diameter of a circle are parallel to each other. Now in proof, in triangle EOC and triangle FOD, angle D will be equal to angle C. Why? Radius is perpendicular on tangent. The second angle COE, angle COE will be equal to angle DOF. These are angle COE is equal to angle DOF because they are vertically opposite angles. Triangle EOC will be equal to triangle FOD. So angle E will be equal to angle F by CPCT, right? Angle E and angle F are alternate interior angles between AB and PQ as well as transversal EF between tangent AB and PQ, between AB and PQ and transversal line segment EF. AB is parallel to PQ. Hence proved.